Oh, we on screen with the phone? Yes, indeed. Got my little knife. Put it out here. Rah, a little knife. So it's meow. It's meow knife. Hands off the phone. Let's get to it. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Look at this. This is the phone right here. This is me getting in 2021 too, so I'm excited. See how this is. They say this is the wave. They say if it don't fold, it don't matter. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if that's what they true. If they say it. They say it to be true. Let's go. This unboxing experience is nice, even though there's really nothing else in the box, but we're gonna get to that. Nice and clean. Ooh, we almost there. Bronze. Oh yeah, you know we had to get the rose gold. You know we had to get that. You know we had to get the copper poppy. Rose gold copper poppy. Okay, so it goes like this. What we got here? So this is another box. There's nothing. I don't believe there's anything in here. Book. I might keep that book out just to look at it. Nothing in the box, so we're gonna file that over. Oh, okay. First pill. Let's go. Oh yes. All right. Ooh wee. Okay. I get it. Okay. All right. You got me. Okay. We're gonna put this to the side. Okay, you got me. All right. So, as with customary on the fold devices, I'm gonna show you on the camera. We do the first fold. Let's get it. Yeah, that's nice. See how that feels. Not bad. Very sturdy, very stiff. Do it again. And quiet, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we in. All right, let's take a look. Okay. What is it doing? All right. So it's at 43% out of the box. Very stiff. Like, it feels very stiff to fold. Look at that full screen. Let's take a look at these cameras for a second. Pull out this camera. A quick little picture right here. I like it. It looks, I like it. It's good. Oh man, this is nice. Okay, y'all got me. Fold is good. Fold is legit. Let's get it. Again, my name is Theo the Technician. We did the first impressions unboxing of the Z Fold 2. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Check you guys next time. Till next time. Peace and good night.